The question is, product of three integers is 60. What is the least possible positive sum of the three integers? Before going any further, please like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell so you can be immediately notified for new uploads. It is completely free and only takes a few seconds, and you can always unsubscribe later. Without further ado, let's proceed with the rest of the video. Now coming back to the problem, note that the integers can be positive, negative or 0. Let the three integers be x, y and z. The product will be 60. X into y into z is equal to 60. Obviously, one of the integers cannot be 0. Okay. And since x plus y plus z would be positive and have the least value, we can write down how this can be achieved in the table given below. When two numbers are 1 and 1 and the third number is 60, the product is 60 and the sum is 62. Similarly, when the numbers are 1, 2 and 30, the product is still 60 but the sum is 33. Like this, for 1, 3, 20, it would be 60 and 24. For 1, 4 and 15, it would be 60 and 20. For 1, 5 and 12, the product would be 60 and sum would be 18. For 1, 6 and 10, product would be 60 and sum would be 17. If the first two numbers are 2 and 2 and the third number is 15, the product is still 60 and the sum would become 19. With 2, 3 and 10, the product remains at 60 but the sum decreases to 15. Similarly, for 2, 5 and 6, the product is 60 but the sum is 13. Finally, when number 1 is 3, number 2 is 4 and number 3 is 5, the product is 60 but the sum is 12. So when all the three numbers are positive, then the minimum sum that we can get is 12. But there is no restriction that all numbers should be positive, and we can also have negative integers. Since the product has to be plus 60, we conclude that if negative integers are involved, there would be two negative integers and one positive integer, so that the product will be positive and the sum could be something, either positive or negative. Since the since the least sum we could get with all positive integers is 12, let us concentrate on possibilities of smaller sums involving two negative integers. We start with minus 1 and minus 1, and the third number is 60, product is 60 and sum is 58. Like this, we go down to minus 1, minus 2, 30, 60 and 27. Minus 1, minus 3, 20, 60 and 16. Minus 1, minus 4, 15, product is 60, sum is 10. -1, -5, 12. Product is still 60. Sum is 6. -1, -2, 10. Product is 60, but the sum is 3. -2, -2, 15. Product is 60 and the sum is 11. -2, -3, 10. Product is 60. Sum is 5. -2, -5, 6, 60, and the sum is -1. -3, -4, third number is 5. The product is 60, but the sum is -2. These are the only possible values. Of course, the third number could be negative, but that doesn't yield any good result. Here in this table, we note that the least possible sum is 3, and the sums lesser than 3 are -1 and -2. But since negative numbers are not acceptable as sum, the least number that is acceptable is 3. Out of the positive values for sum, the least is +3. This is smaller than the minimum value possible if all numbers were positive, that is 12. Therefore, the least possible sum of the integers is 3. This is the answer.